let me show you what you get in this really adorable Valentine set. To start off with, these are the Valentines themselves. You get lots of adorable little kawaii themed Mochi squishies, so many different styles, and I really love these. My daughter's done these a few years in a row, this kind of Valentine, as it gives her different options to give each student, as some students are going to like the very cute pink octopus here, while other kids are going to like something a little more generic like this great goldfish. And not only do you get these great squishies to give, but you also get the cards and the packaging. Now the cards are heart-shaped to fit in the heart-shaped packaging, and you get a few different phrases. Squish me Valentine, Happy Valentine's Day, I love you so Mochi, and the classic Be Mine. And these really are simple cards. They have a to, from, and the back is plain white. And they are a thicker cardstock, so they're gonna hold up. And then this is what you fill up. This is your wonderful heart. It in its own right is a great Valentine and really fun to continue to reuse. I would say that it's easier to open than to close, but it does re-snap closed without much of an issue. You just gotta line it up correctly, which slows me down a little bit, but once you figure it out and push, it snaps right in. And it has a little tie on the top right here, and then you get tons of this string, so you can tie the Valentine straight to the top if you want to, as these are all hole punch too. And I actually thought you might be able to fit the heart inside as well, but you cannot do that. It is only meant to be tied on the outside, which is really sweet. So let's put one together real quick. I'll put in the squishy, snap it into place, and there we go. Super cute and simple. I would say the only things to keep in mind here is that it is going to take a little more effort to put each one in the plastic container and tie this on. So there are a couple steps, but it ends in making a really sweet Valentine.